This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Plug the Lightning or MagSafe cable into a known good wall adapter so you know power is present. Once done, open the case and visually inspect the charging pins and earbud contacts for lint, corrosion, or flaky residue. Debris is the most common culprit. Make sure to note the LED color and whether it lights at all, because that tells you if the case is receiving any charge versus the case battery being dead. Next, clean the contacts carefully. Dip a cotton swab in 90% isopropyl, brush the Lightning port and earbud contacts, and dry them. You want to remove oils and lint that block current. Once cleaned, reseat each AirPod firmly into its slot and close the lid for 30 seconds, then open and check the LED again. If it still fails, swap cables and adapters to isolate a faulty cable and try charging from a different power source to rule out outlet issues. If cleaning and swapping accessories didn't fix it, perform a factory reset by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing glitches that can prevent charging recognition. Once reset, test charging again, and if still dead, consider battery failure, replace the case, or seek an authorized service provider. If you need one quick troubleshooting tip, try a wireless charging pad if supported. If that works, the Lightning connector is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.